Hello everyone, apply some hair wax in the middle section of the hair and comb your hair a little bit and have ponytails on either side, then two little ponytails at the back and combine the ponytails and the back section to the front. Then after that, have a beautiful fluffy rubber onto the ponytail and hide it with the remaining part of the ponytail by splitting them into two and have it braided and fold it to the top. Then have a beautiful hairband. Apply some hair wax in the middle section of the hair and comb it and have a ponytail in the back section of the hair. In the middle section we have it braided in the three parts manner with strips of hair borrowed from the front section making the ridges visible. Then continue doing it until you empty every hair in the middle section and making the ridges completely visible. Then braid as normal as you would do after that and connect it to the ponytail. And braid the ponytail as well and roll it to a bun in a clockwise manner and secure the tip underneath the bun. Have a beautiful hairband. Apply some hair wax onto your hair and grab the sides of your hair and tie it in the middle with a lovely rubber band making a ponytail, and grab a strip of hair from the top and have it split them into three parts and braid it in a thinner manner. Do the braiding until you reach the bottom part and have the end secure with the rubber band. Move the braid to the top temporarily. Then with the remaining tail we have a rubber band attached in the top middle part of it and create a loop in the middle one, drop the tail into it and scrunch it to the top making a bow tie design. Then bring the braid back and have it at the center, then secure the whole shape by dropping a little rubber band onto it. Then with the remaining tail we have release the braid from that point. Then after that combine that with the remaining tail and split the tail into two and have it braided and leave the hair as such. A lovely braid connected to a ponytail. Apply some hair wax in the middle section of the hair, comb it and separate the back section and have a ponytail at the back section. In the middle section we have split them into two parts and have it braided in a little bit thicker manner. So braid it until you reach the rubber band at the back and have it combined with that ponytail and have it as a common ponytail at that point. Then secure that with a little hairband, then drop in your lovely hairband of your choice. Apply some hair wax and comb your hair and make a lovely ponytail out of it. Then attach a beautiful hair clutcher that has ribbons that is already made into a lovely bow tie. Then after that split the tail into three parts and have it braided along with the ribbon we have. So how you would braid is hold the first two sections of the hair and twist it along and have the middle section of the hair twist along with the ribbons and have the ribbon twist along with the side section of the hair. So this is how we braid it. So braid it and repeat it until you reach the bottom part of the hair. Then with the remaining section of the hair at the bottom, have a lovely loop and drop the tail into it, making it as a bell design and secure the tip to the last loop of the rubber band. Ribbon in the middle of braid connecting to the ponytail at the sides. Apply some hair wax in the middle section of the hair and comb it and separate the back section from it. Then have a ponytail at the back. Then also tie a knot in the center of the ribbon and have it on top of your head. Then split the remaining section of the hair in the middle into two parts and have it go across each other in a braid, having the ribbon in the middle. Then continue the braiding and attach it to the ponytail at the bottom. Then make a bow tie design with the excess part of the ribbon we have and secure with a little rubber band. A simple smooth bun. Apply some hair wax onto your ponytail and insert a very long bun maker behind your ponytail and twist your entire hair onto it and roll it into clockwise direction and have it as a bun and continue rolling it until you empty all the hair, and also hide the excess part of the bun maker into it. Then adjust the tips a little bit for further design. Thank you everyone for watching this video.